How to make a Scorpio man miss you. Making someone miss you involves creating a sense of longing and desire in their mind. Maybe you had a breakup with a Scorpio man, or you're afraid he'll never be interested in you again. Whatever the case may be, it's time to act before the door closes permanently. If you're looking for ways to make the Scorpio man miss you, you're doing a wise thing. While it's important to be authentic and respectful in your approach, here are some general tips that may help you make a Scorpio man miss you.
Welcome to the channel, your favorite grooming ideas. Please subscribe my channel and let back to the video.
Tip number 1. Create space. Spend some time apart. Give him the opportunity to feel your absence and realize how much he values your presence. Tip number 2. Be mysterious. Scorpio men are intrigued by mystery and complexity. Don't reveal everything about yourself all at once. Keep some aspects of your life and personality hidden, and slowly let him discover more about you over time. Tip number 3. Stay independent. Continue pursuing your own interests, hobbies, and friendships. Demonstrating your independence and self-sufficiency can make you more alluring and attractive. Tip number 4. Engage his imagination. Send him thought-provoking texts or messages that spark his curiosity and engage his imagination. Share interesting stories or ideas that leave him wanting more. Tip number 5. Flirt and tease. Playful flirting and teasing can create a sense of attraction and desire. Just be sure to keep it lighthearted and respectful. Tip number 6. Focus on your appearance. While personality is key, taking care of your physical appearance can also make you more appealing. Dress nicely, maintain good hygiene, and take care of yourself. Tip number 7. Surprise him. Plan occasional surprises or spontaneous activities that he wouldn't expect. This can keep things exciting and make you memorable. Tip number 8. Stay positive and confident. Positivity and confidence are attractive traits. Maintain a positive outlook and exude self-assurance. Tip number 9. Be supportive. Show genuine interest in his passions, dreams, and goals. Offer encouragement and support as he pursues his ambitions. Tip number 10. Quality time. When you do spend time together, make it meaningful and memorable. Engage in deep conversations and create emotional connections. Tip number 11. Leave a little mystery. Don't always be available. Sometimes, politely decline invitations or suggest an alternative time to meet. This can make you appear more intriguing and in demand. Tip number 12. Maintain respect. Always treat him with respect and kindness. Manipulation or mind games can backfire and damage the relationship. Building a genuine connection, understanding his personality, and communicating openly are key to fostering a strong and lasting bond. Ultimately, the goal should be to create a healthy and loving relationship based on mutual respect and genuine affection. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.